final word on professionally selling as a PT, and just some notes, is that personal training is one of the very few professions where you can charge a very good fee for your time, in the vicinity of upward of 50, 60, 70, 80, 100, $150 per hour. And I just wanted to reiterate that the mistake that trainers make is they look at that hourly fee of that they're getting, if it's $100 an hour, that they got it for that hour. And the truth is they didn't, right? That hourly fee that you charge is also going to encompass their emails, text messages, getting back to them, being prompt, your study and learning. It's going to encompass a whole lot of things like the over-deliver, your value adds in the session. So don't forget that when you're charging for PT and you're charging as a program. That's why I like to recommend, don't think of the hour, think of the outcome, charge as the outcome, because you're still writing the program, you're still doing the nutrition, and understand that hourly fee isn't just for the hour, it's for that client to get that result. So final word on professionally selling as a PT, think about the outcome, not the hour.